Hi, I'm Nick, a Senior Technical Support Engineer with Symetrix, and I want to show you one of the new features in our Composer version 7.2 software. With this latest release, you're now able to trigger defined email messages with a control signal. This allows email notifications to be sent directly from DSP hardware. Here's how you do it. Let's say we have a PowerSoft amp and we'd like to be notified of a hardware fault. First, we'll add a controller number to the hardware fault LED, starting with controller number 1. Next, we'll go into Design View of the DSP, open Control Modules, drag in an email output module from the control outputs, and type in our info, including which email account is sending the notification, the destination email address, subject line, and the message body that has a description of the problem. Hit the Configure Server button and enter the server info for the email account that will be sending the email, Gmail in this case. Click the Test Connection button for a quick verification of your settings. Now, finally, we need to wire up a latching button into our email module, and we're going to add the same remote control number that we put on the hardware fault LED of the amp, in this case controller number 1 again. That way, when the LED lights up, our latching button also turns on and triggers the email output module. Let's give it a go. If we manually click the button, notice the email module gives a successful update on the send status. For another common scenario, let's say we'd like to be notified if there are any thermal issues with the Radius NX4x4 in the rack. We'll first right-click the thermal failure LED in the module and add a unique control number. We'll then duplicate the latched button and the email module we already created for the amp. We then simply edit the control number on the button to match the control number we just placed on the thermal failure LED. And also, of course, change the message in the email module to reflect the thermal issue. Now, let's go ahead and push the file and really see this in action. From here, I'm going to go ahead and manually stop the fan in the Radius so we can see the chain of events as it might actually happen in real life. Here's our failure LED lighting up, the button goes to on, and the email module reports a successfully sent email. Finally, if we pull up my Outlook, here's the actual notification sent via DSP. Remember, just about everything in Composer can be set up to generate a notification, so don't hesitate to get creative. That's all there is to it. For more information about Symetrix's Composer software or any of our great products, please visit www.symetrix.co or give us a call at 425-778-7728. And thank you for watching.